there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Tyres with foam in the inside. You can see it very, very clearly right there. Why do they do this? What's going on? This is actually something that became as an advent of EV cars, electric vehicles. They are so much quieter. There's no noise and harshness and vibration coming from the engine, so you're hearing other sounds a whole lot more, such as road noise. And putting the foam inside, that there is a 100% sound deadening thing. So you get less road noise coming back up from your tyres, particularly with low profile tyres, which is also a newer thing. So that's what it's all about. Putting this layer of foam inside your tyre, this sound absorber, quietens the whole thing down. The tyres are not special apart from that. Apart from that, they're a pretty standard tyre, but of course, they just run quieter.